guys, Brian from Snowwalker Bushcraft. Today I'm going to do a request video. It's a basic video with somebody who was actually having problems with a jute bird's nest. So I want to go through it. He asked me to do it, and that's what we're going to do today. So hang in there. Okay, so basically what I've done is I've taken a piece of jute. Right? It's about seven inches long. So, and what you have to remember is that jute twine is nothing more than a bunch of fibers that have been twisted together to make the twine. It's just like primitive cordage. We twist our fibers together, we do a reverse wrap, and that's how we get our string, our cordage. So, hold it at one end and just unravel it the opposite way. Right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull it apart. And we're going to continue, pull it apart. Okay? This one's made up of 4 fibers. Sorry about that. All right. Just keep tearing down each strand. And then you will have your nice fluffy material to use for your bird's nest. Okay, and essentially the hard part is done. Okay, continue to pull it apart. You get all your fibers nice, soft, and downy. And there you are. And there's a small little bird's nest for you to use in your tinder bundle. So that's how you make the jute bird's nest. Okay, it's very quick, it's very easy. Just keep remembering to untwist your fibers and pull them apart to process them out so that you have your billowy little bird's nest. Alright, hope it helped you out. This is Brian from Snowwalker Bushcraft. I thank you for your views and thank you for your comments. Until the next one, walk the woods.